अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today I am teaching about the second lesson of qalandaria sect. Qalandaria system, the spiritual power to get spiritual power through the method of qalandaria system. हज़रत कलंदर लाल शहबाज, सेवन शरीफ, हज़रत बू अली कलंदर, हज़रत सैयदा राबिया बसरी सलामुल्लाह अलैहा. These personalities belongs to the qalandaria system. And second lesson is that the latifa ruh are the second point in human body as a in the opposite side of heart there is the place of ruh or spirit. His in charge is in prophetical system Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. If Naqshbandis or others are getting their phase or spiritual power to activate the ruh or spirit, they greetings or say salam to prophets. But in qalandaria system, a spirit or a ruh we have to activate through to greet or a salam Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wassalam. We have to say Assalamu alaikum ya Sayyidi Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. And we have to chant our zikr through the respiratory system Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. But by psi system, by respiratory system, imagination, meditation, and we say Allahu. And color of this is red color. We have thought that a red color Allah has written on ruh point, on spirit point, and this system will activate your system. If anyone activates the first lesson, first point, qalb or heart, he will see the angels, because the heart or angels heart is belongs to the alame malkut, the world of angels. Heart belongs to the world of angels, and we have to say only there is Allahu, Allahu, Allahu by heart, not by respiration system. And we have to imagine there is written Allahu through golden color Allah written on our heart. And in first lesson we have to say Assalamu alaikum Ya Sayyidi Ya Molai Molatin Assalamu alaikum ya Sayyida Fatima Salamullah alayha. This is the first lesson, and second lesson is belongs to the Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. And we have to meditate Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. Through this system will activate firstly the heart and secondly the ruh or spirit. And other lessons are concerned these things. Third eye will be opened. Third eye will be opened through this system. This is the system. And must isale sawab must recite Quran and act on the Islamic principles and perfumed your body and clothes all time. This is the system of qalandaria, and power will be combined when your whole lataif or points will activate. You will be a power of the spiritual world. So inshallah, you will understand my points, and you will remember it and act on this system, and you will get the power of spirituality. Khuda Hafiz.